Hey everyone, it's Deja with Knit and Crochet Ever After, and today I am going to set up and review and show you this GIGA Lounger. So this was gifted to me by the GIGA Lounger Company to try out and let you know what I think about it. Some key features of this: sturdy nylon material. It's nice, kind of a thick nylon that can be used in multiple places, inside, outside, pretty much waterproof. It is the best feature is that it has an integrated pump. So you don't have to sit there and pump it yourself. You don't have to run around and get air in it. It is integrated, it's rechargeable, so no batteries are needed. And you just sit there and it fills up in 60 seconds and you're good to go. Um, it will hold up to 330 pounds or 150 kilograms, so it's really great for just about any person to lounge out wherever you're at. So let me show you how it comes. A setup. I'm going to also show you when we take it down and see how it fits back into the bag it comes in and give you a whole overview. So let's get started. Okay, so you're going to get the GIGA Lounger and it's going to come in this carrying bag, which I like. It's got a little handy strap and a drawstring. And what I really like is that there's room in the bag. It's not like one of those bags where it's the exact same size as if you got it perfectly back to the original size that it came in, because that's always really unrealistic. So I like that there's some room in here up at the top so that I can hopefully get this back in well, and I'm going to try that at the very end with taking it down and seeing how it folds up. So we open up the drawstring and let's see what's inside. Okay, so in the carrying case you get the user manual, and let's see how helpful this is. It looks pretty good. It's got some good instructions with pictures and kind of showing you what to do when you're blowing it up and everything, with some specifications, reminders, warnings, troubleshooting, lots of good stuff. So it's actually a very helpful user manual, unlike some manuals. And then we also have, I know it was in here, I saw it a second ago, the charging cord, because it is an integrated pump that doesn't need batteries, so you just got to make sure that you charge it before you go to wherever you're going. And it looks like a couple patches, so that is handy as well. And then we have the GIGA Lounger. So it's a blue nylon material, pretty thick. It feels almost kind of like those nylon backpacks, the really lightweight ones that you get. It's not very heavy. It's probably a pound or two. It's not bad at all. And it's got a nice thick strap here. And this strap is holding it closed, but it's also part of the design when you set it up. So let's go open this up. I'm going to adjust the camera a little so you can actually see the ground, and we'll see if this blows up in 60 seconds like they say it does. Okay, I've got it all laid out, so I'm ready to push the button. I've got that out, open, and I think I have this facing up. It might be upside down. Actually, I have it upside down. Just kidding. There's a pocket, which is very handy, and the pocket was facing the wrong way. So let's flip that around, and then let's start the pump. Okay, so you'll notice that it's a little bit inflated, and that's because I started inflating it, and then I noticed that the inlet valve wanted to kind of close up. It was sucking it back in. So I'm going to stay next to it because I want to make it inflate faster so that we can see that the 60 seconds is real, because it was taking a little bit longer. So I'm going to restart it and kind of just stay right here to keep this open. So what I love about this, and you can see it's pulling it in, so I just want to pull it to the side. And what I love about this is this integrated pump. You remember those loungers a couple of years ago where you had to run back and forth to get the air in them? That's way too much work, especially in like 90-degree heat that we have here in Arizona. They say make sure to have like a flat surface, not sharp objects underneath. Obviously, I'm on some gravel because there's not a lot of grass in Arizona, so I wouldn't normally put it on this, but I'm making do with what I have. You can see this is inflating really quickly. You can see the shape of the lounger. It's got a kind of nice, comfy, raised knee shape, and it's inflating really quickly. I'm thinking that 60 seconds is pretty close. So I'm going to kind of push on it and the sound is changing, so that's probably telling me that it's getting close. So again, once you get it to the spot you think is good, you're going to close that inlet valve, and then you're going to hit the button to turn it off. So once it's full, you're going to test how firm it is by just sitting on it, just give it a little test out. If it feels a little too soft, you're going to come over to this end piece. You're going to pop it open and twist it a little bit more until you get to that spot that you like, and then just clip it closed again, and you get a little more firmness. Then you're going to sit, enjoy, and relax, and in my case, crochet. So I am this is like really comfy actually. I'm like, I don't even think I want to crochet, I just want to relax. Yeah, this is very comfy. So I said I would take this apart and try to get it back in the bag. I think I'm just going to sit here for a couple more minutes though, because it's so hot outside. It feels good under this tree. But I promised you, so I will take it apart and see if it fits in the bag well. So I'll get on that right now. Okay, so again, to get this empty, you open up that air inlet valve and just kind of push on it, kind of get it going. And you can even speed it up by unclipping, which is probably a better idea, because you can just kind of open up that spot that we have here, and it really deflates fast. So we're going to roll this up and see if it fits in the bag now. So that rolls up really easy. We're going to get this thing around it like it was before. Just kind of moving that pump out of the way. Let's grab the bag, tuck it in a little bit more. Let's have a seat. And I am like doing this really quickly. I would probably take a little bit more time, but just to see how quickly and easily this rolls out, because at the end of a long day, wherever you're at, you don't want to mess with this stuff, You just want to get it done and get out of there. And this is like fitting in here very well. It's not giving me that much trouble. If I would have taken an extra 20 seconds, I might have fit it a little bit better, but look at that. Fits in there great. I didn't have to mess with it. I really like that it was that quick to do. So my final thoughts on the GIGA Lounger. I really love this product. There is nothing that I can say is a negative about it, which is really hard to say about products. There's usually at least something that's kind of, I wish this would change, but this was really surprisingly easy to set up, to take down, to adjust the firmness. Like everything was absolutely a breeze and pleasant, and I can see myself using this all the time. So I will probably be posting some pictures of different places that I take this with me and where I'll be using it and crocheting with and lounging and having fun. So check out my Instagram. Go follow me if you want to see more about it. Check out the GIGA Lounger website in the description link so that you can go purchase your own if you like what you're seeing. But that's all. I really like this product. I am Deja with Knit and Crochet Ever After, and thank you for watching.